I got the ball. I felt so good. I'll play all day in my neighborhood. Run and jump, pass and shoot. Basketball is what I do.
Not stretching. Shots fired. Steph and Curry, a running three-pointer.
He used to do these a lot.
What's that?
Running three.
Oh,
Running three.
4 points away. Harden to Curry. Curry.
Oh, that's a bucket.
And a ball.
That's a bucket.
Curry for three. Team Shaq staring at a title here.
I disagree with Draymond a lot. You know, it's listen, we're trying to anything.
Home soil here. He's got the base behind him. He would come out.
McClung, very entertaining slam dunk once again. He's done a great job. And Steph and Curry.
Oh my
Let's
God.
fly.
Degrade them. No, they're not degrading. They're great young players.
George
These are the best of the best.
Steph and Curry gets the first shot in.